Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how I automate the entirely monthly invoice system of a kindergarten. I use Airtable n8n and API template. Each day is auto-generated with the classes and the enrolled kid. And at the end of the month, each invoice is created and sent for each kid. Everything fully automated. Okay, so this database has kids, parents, and I added like teachers and more things. The daily activity logs, so here we can see like kids are doing as a mini chef and how many kids are participating of that class. The monthly invoices, the activities, and this is the part that I really liked and I think is very useful for every company that needs like that has like enrolled people subscribe to their services. So for example, here I have dance Friday at 3 p.m. English 4 p.m. Saturdays, mini chef Tuesdays 3 p.m. So I created this automation where with this information the script is going to create each class with the fixed enroll kid every Thursday of the month or every Friday of the month. So I find that very useful, like for example for gyms that has multiple classes and you need to know who, like how many people is subscribed to that class, or like yoga studios that has, I don't know, hot yoga, stretching yoga, or things like that, so you can like auto create each class with enrolled customers that you have. So for example here August, we have created every single this is Friday of August with each kid, and then it's going to automatically connect with the respective invoices. So here for this kindergarten, we have the information of the kid, of the guardian, it can be the parent, the grandparent, or whoever is going to pay for the kid, and we have the funnel of creation of each invoice, right? So every time the automation creates each invoice every month, is going to show for default as a pending generation, right? So then I click here on create invoice. So I'm going to click here on this one, and this is going to take 10 seconds. There you go. So it creates a document PDF with each personalized information. Then I can click here, send it to the account, and it's going to be sent to this email, and it's going to send it like as an attached document. So this is created with n8n, and this is the workflow. So a webhook, there is an automation here on Airtable that every time I click on create a new invoice, it's going to do a call to a webhook on n8n. So it receives the information of the webhook, then it gets the whole record in Airtable, right? Then I did this script with, I'm not a developer, you know, guys. Here we're using artificial intelligence, so I just explained AI what I needed. To prepare to get the record IDs of the activities the kid took, and then I got the activities. I merged both information, right? And here I prepared it to send it to apitemplate.io, and here I did the API call of API template. You will find this in their documentation, but here basically you need to send the whole thing to API template, like the CSS, the HTML of how do you want the information distributed, plus the information of like you want to show up. Then it downloads the PDF and upload it on the Airtable record that we got first. So it's a basic, simple n8n workflow. So once, and this is where the magic happens. I mean, I find this workflow very useful. This is going to be very useful for people who receives mostly transactions and they don't have like a payment getaways, or if you find yourself like struggling in your notebook or in your spreadsheet, or even if you use Airtable to find the person who you receive the payment from, matching it with your book, with your record book, this is going to be very useful for you because basically here we connected AI to your email. First of all, AI is not going to read all of your emails. Don't worry about that. We have a if here that is going to do a filter of your email. So it's going to say, AI is going to read only the ones that say transaction approved or transfer received or something like that, right? And then once you get an email like that, then AI is going to read it. AI is going to first of all have the whole context of your company, like it's a kindergarten, it's a gym, it's a yoga studio, it's whatever, and it's going to go to your record. Here it could be a spreadsheet, and then it's going to understand your email, then look through your database and match it, right? And it's going to say this one it's paid. I'm going to send an example so you guys see it on action. So we are going to send this email as an example. This is the type of emails that the manager of the kindergarten receives. We're going to see how AI manages it. We're going to make sure this is executing, and now we're going to send it. And now let's wait. There you go, AI receives it, goes, checks their table, compares with the information of the email. It went back to Airtable, it found it, and it updated. Let's go to Airtable, and there it is, paid. And then here you can see how was the AI, the API, who updated the payment. And to make it very user friendly, I did this view, which I think is amazingly easy. Like, you don't see the like a spreadsheet anymore. You just see here mini chef August or October, then September, then art and creativity October, music, and you will see like each month in each class, and then the kids that went to school, the amount of money that the manager is going to receive for each of these days. So that's it basically. I find this workflow very useful for companies that has enrolled customers, and if you need to send invoices, and what I like the most is like AI connected to your email and matching your customers with the people who has paid or who hasn't paid. I find that very, very useful. So this is it. Thank you very much. Bye.